I had a little bit of an engineering problem here, but I kind of got it fixed up, and yeah, a few stickers. I got a license plate. I'm gonna keep going on this one. So I need one of these. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I need one of these. Like this. And then there's supposed to be a clear one, which is over here. Put it like that. Okay. And then this is going to go like that. And then I'm going to take these two pieces, put them together along with these pieces, and I'm going to put it right underneath this, like that. Oh, and then I'm going to put this piece on here, like that. And then I've got these orange blocks which go, okay, let's put these on right. This goes like that. This one goes like that. Okay. And I have two of these orange buttons that go here. There's one. There's the second one. Like that. So that's what you build. And then this goes, yep. It's like this. Let's see, I think it goes like right here on the end of the cab. If I can get it to, there we go. Like that. Okay. And then, oh, okay. Well, I guess I ran out of parts, or I wasn't planning on this next page, but that's okay because I put everything together. I'm going to go on to the next page and gather some parts, and then we'll come back and we'll finish this part of it. And this is going to look really cool when we're done. So let me go gather some parts for you, and I'll be right back after that, okay? All right. See you in the next video.